Students, today we are going to see Newton's law of viscous force. According to the Newton's law of viscous force, the force exerted on a faster layer by an adjacent slower layer is proportional to. So there is one faster layer, and adjacent to the faster layer there are slower layers. So according to Newton's law of viscous force, the force exerted on the faster layer, and who is exerting force on the faster layer? It is the adjacent slower layer. It's very important, the word adjacent slower layer. Adjacent means if this is the faster layer, suppose this is the pipe and this is the faster layer, and if this is the faster layer, I will make it little dark. This is the faster layer, and adjacent to this layer means, I will make use of green color. This is the slower moving layer compared to the orange line. Orange line denotes the layer which is moving very fast, and green layer is moving little slower compared to the orange layer. So the force exerted on the orange layer by the adjacent green layer, this is the meaning of the adjacent green layer, is proportional to, first, the area capital A of the layer. First, it is proportional to area A of the layer, and second, the velocity gradient, and here the velocity gradient is given by dv by dy perpendicular to the direction of flow. So first it is proportional to A, and second it is proportional to velocity gradient, that is dv by dy perpendicular. Important, the direction is perpendicular to the direction of the flow. Then if F is the force, then as we already told, is directly proportional to capital A, the area of the layer, into velocity gradient dv by dy. Now we will replace this proportionality constant by constant minus eta A into dv by dy, where eta is constant known as coefficient of viscosity, or another name for this is absolute viscosity, or another name for again this is dynamic viscosity. The three name is given for the same term eta. Eta here refers to coefficient of viscosity. Another name for coefficient of viscosity is absolute viscosity, or one more name is there, that is the dynamic viscosity. So in the exam they can ask any of this term, so be familiar with these terms and what this negative sign indicates. So negative sign indicates negative sign indicates that the viscous force is opposite to the direction of flow. Very important. The direction of flow and the viscous force, they are opposite to each other. We will see the kinematic viscosity. So it is the ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density of liquid is called as kinematic viscosity. The ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density of the liquid. That is, we will denote it, the kinematic viscosity by R is equal to, according to the definition, it is dynamic viscosity divided by density of liquid. Dynamic viscosity is denoted by eta, and we know density is denoted by rho. Then kinematic viscosity R is equal to eta upon rho. Next definition is fluidity. Fluidity. The reciprocal of dynamic viscosity is called fluidity. The reciprocal of dynamic viscosity is called fluidity.